my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a blue food challenge, and in honor of the video I am wearing blue today. By the way, I have done a pink food challenge in the past, which is a really good video. Definitely go check that video out. Other than that, I have done a black food challenge in September this year. I struggled so hard from the beginning till the end. However, I did manage to put something on the plate for me and fill my stomach with some random stuff. You have to watch that video in order to see what I did for the black food challenge. But today I'm going to be doing the blue food challenge, as I mentioned quite a few times already. I think I am ready for this challenge. I am nervous. I have done a lot of research. I've ordered a lot of groceries, so I feel prepared. However, I am aware that a lot can go wrong still in spite of me being prepared. So let's see how this day unfolds. Before I start making my lunch, let's rewind and go back to today morning. Hi guys, so I just woke up like 15 minutes ago. Before we get started with the challenge, I just wanted to sit down and introduce to you guys the key ingredient for today's video. I already know what this is gonna be, our savior. So basically these are blue butterfly pea flowers. Basically they're blue flowers which have naturally like a blue tint. These actually have a lot of benefits. You can like add it to your hot water and drink it as tea. That's how it's done traditionally. And the really cool thing about this is that it changes color as the pH of the water changes. I'm not going to give too much away in this video because I know I can use this in another video as well. But for today, this is what I'm going to be using in basically everything. So this is what they look like up close. They are dried up, and I actually did try them out the other day, and they really do release like a blue color, and it makes the whole water like a navy blue. Doesn't really smell like anything, doesn't taste like anything, but I'm gonna start off by using this today in order to make my detox water. If you've watched any of my food challenges, you know I start off the day by making like a colored water that I drink throughout the day. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm literally just gonna be adding this to my water, and I think I'm also gonna be adding some blueberries. So I let this sit for like 10 minutes, and already you can see the color is so blue. So I'm going to sip on this throughout the day. If you're wondering what it tastes like nothing. It tastes like water. This is what the cupcakes look like. Please ignore this one. Delivery mein kharab ho gaya ye. So my friend actually started her own Instagram which goes by the name of Batter With Me. I'm going to make sure to link her Instagram in the description box below. In case you need any sort of like baked goods, definitely check her out. So I'm going to have probably 2 of these right now. Actually, let's do a taste test. So the whole cupcake is blue, not just the icing, even like the actual base, the cupcake. This is what it looks like. Looks so good. Excuse me. This is so good. If you know anything about me, I don't really like desserts, but I really enjoy cupcakes and cookies. Those are my weaknesses. And this one's a really good cupcake. So having cupcakes for my breakfast, we're off to a great start actually. So now that you've seen my breakfast, let's go ahead and make some lunch. So for lunch, I decided to make some pancakes. I know pancakes are like traditionally like a breakfast food, but I'm gonna have it for lunch because I don't have a lot of recipes. I am going to be making blue pancakes. Let's see how I make those. Even I'm not sure 100% as to how I'm going to make them, but we'll figure this out together. Okay, so in order to make the pancake, I'm just using the regular Betty Crocker's pancake mix, wherein you need to add water to this. So instead of using water, I'm going to be using our blue flour wala pani. Sirf 4-5 flowers डाले इसमें, and I let it soak for like 10 minutes, and it's already so blue.
So I was not happy with the color that was developing. It was like a very light blue, and I wanted it to be like a nice vibrant blue. So what I did was that I made another batch, wo pani ka, blue pani ka, and I used like 20-30 flowers in that, and the water was like a very dark navy blue, which was perfect because by the end of it I was able to achieve this really beautiful blue color.
Okay, so the pancakes are ready. This is what they look like. They look a little bit green still on camera, but you have to trust me, it's a little bit blue. So let me do a taste test. It smells exactly like a regular pancake. By the way, I've purposely cooked आगे का side a little less ताकि वो blue रहे, because as you can see वो now brown हो रहा था. So I hope it's not undercooked. Tastes like a regular pancake, honestly. It is definitely a little bit undercooked. Jatin, try. थोड़ा कच्चा है ना, हल्का है ना. So it's been a few hours. It's time for my coffee, but I can't have coffee because it's not blue. Actually, I could make blue coffee, but I don't know how to do it. It's probably gonna be a fail. So I'm gonna stick to my plan and I'm gonna make the blue butterfly pea tea. That's what it's called. So I'm gonna go make that. Hi guys, so I am so tired. I've been filming the whole day and I'm starting to get really hungry. So I'm gonna go prep some dinner. I've actually already prepped a little bit of it in the afternoon, which I'm so glad that I did that. So I literally have to do just like a one-step process. So I'm gonna be making some macaroni and cheese in like a blue color. Obviously I'm using the same blue flour. The blue flour is such a savior in today's challenge. So let's go do that. I am starving. Okay, so I already prepped a little bit for dinner dopaher ko hi. So I've already boiled the pasta and it's ready. And here we have some blue doodh. So doodh mein maine wahi same apna wo flours dal diye. It's definitely not blue enough. So I'll add a few more blue flours. I'm actually using Kraft ka mac and cheese. So it comes with this packet, like this sachet that you literally just need to add in the water, sorry, the milk, and it makes mac and cheese just like that. So I'm making a drink to go along with my dinner, and I got this syrup from, I think, Nature's Basket. So I'm gonna be using this. This smells so good. I think itna kafi hona chahiye. And then some Sprite. Ooh, the color looks so nice. Okay, let's taste this. So good. Tastes like regular mac and cheese only. Pretty good. See, blue color mein. So actually this is what I was gonna have for dinner. So there's this restaurant which is called Fetch. I could easily get this delivered to my place within minutes, but unfortunately they don't have this dish available because of like the whole corona situation. So it's basically blue rice with bak choy and like some gravy. Of course I wouldn't have been able to eat this, but the blue rice looks so cool. But unfortunately couldn't get my hands on this. Hi guys, so it is 12 o'clock right now and I just got done filming and I feel so tired and I'm a little bit hungry as well. So I went and like grabbed this yogurt, this blueberry Greek yogurt from Epigamia. I opened it and then I realized it's purple. Can someone tell me why is blueberry yogurt not blue and why is it purple? So I can't have this. I just like packed it up and put it back in the fridge. I'll have it tomorrow. So I am gonna order some ice cream from Baskin & Robbins. I know cotton candy wala is blue and pink, and then there's one more which is blue. So I'm gonna place an order for some ice cream and that's what I'm gonna have. But before that I think I'm gonna take off my makeup. I'll show you like my quick 3-step sort of routine when I am filming and when I'm doing my makeup. So how I remove it towards the end of the night. I've tried to like simplify it as much as I can. So I was just transferring my footage from this video, the Blue Food Challenge, and I realized that I said that I'm gonna go and make some tea, but then I never ended up doing it. Now that I look back, it's just because I started filming and I completely forgot that I needed to like drink something, eat something. So that's okay. I'm not gonna sleep anytime soon, so we'll have like a midnight meal, that's for sure. So I'll share that with you guys because I think it's gonna be pretty cool, and I have like a side snack also uske saath. So we'll do that, but before that I need to remove my makeup ASAP. Okay, so for step 1 I'm just gonna use this micellar water. I've spoken about this product quite a few times. I really enjoyed it. It would have been easier for me to do this in the shower. I do this every day in the shower. all of my makeup's off, but just to be extra cautious, I like to use a face wash also. So I usually use the charcoal face wash. You guys know that's my absolute favorite, but Mamaearth sent me their Upton face wash. Now this face wash has turmeric and saffron in it. I think it's perfect timing to use the Upton face wash right now because it is the festive season. So I take a pea-sized amount of the face wash and I gently start working the product into my skin. This smells so nostalgic. I think it's probably because of the ingredients. I remember when I was younger, my nanny would make it and I would apply it on my face for like glowing skin. So just rinsed my face off, feels super soft and super clean. I honestly really stand by Mamaearth, not only because their products are great, yeah they are, but also because they're all about goodness from the inside. I really appreciate the values that it stands for. Very recently I was reading about few of their initiatives. So recently they've started with a plant goodness initiative. So basically every time you buy from them, they will plant a tree and you will also receive like a geotag, a picture and the species of the plant, like you'll know all the information all about it. So basically a tree is planted in your name, which I think is such a cool idea. I think I've mentioned this quite a few times in my videos that Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. So they recycle way more plastic than they produce, but in the recent times they've been recycling 120 metric tons of plastic every month. Just for reference, 1 metric ton is 1000 kg. So can you even imagine how much is 120 metric tons? It's a lot of plastic. So I really appreciate the brand, and if you are interested in buying any of their products, you can use my code Mridul2020 to get a 20% off. All Mamaearth products are available on mamaearth.in, Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart.
It is the Diwali week, so here is a Diwali gift from me to you. This giveaway is going to be an exclusive YouTube giveaway. I hear you guys, a lot of you guys want me to do YouTube giveaways, so I'm going to try to do as many of those as possible. So here are some of my favorite Mamaearth products that I use almost every single day and I love. So I would love it for one of you guys to try it out and use it as well. So all you need to do in order to win this giveaway is subscribe to my channel, like this video and just comment down below what is your favorite memory from Diwali, or rather what is your favorite part about Diwali.
So I just got a call from the delivery guy. He's gonna be here any minute. I'm so excited to have my blue ice cream. So I ordered 2 flavors just to be 100% sure. So ooh, look at the blue, it's so nice. I think this is called Splish Splash, and then okay, this I won't be able to eat, that's for sure. This is cotton candy, but cotton candy tastes so good. I'm so sad I can't have this. Pretty good. This is good. Tastes like a gola for some reason, but it's nice. I'll have this.
You don't have an option anyway.
I was so hungry that I forgot to do like my step 3 of my skincare routine, which is usually like a face mask. So let's get on with masking. I wish I had a blue face mask for this video. It would have been perfect, but I don't have one unfortunately. So I'm just gonna use one from whatever I have here. Face mask is on. I almost went for my C3 favorite C3 wala face mask, but I just used it the other day, so I skipped. And also look how much I have left. Literally nothing. Maybe ek aur round ho jayega. I need to order a backup. But yeah, that's all for now. I'm gonna go and edit a few videos. I really need to get on with editing and posting videos. I haven't posted even one video this November, so I need to get on with it. So I'm gonna go edit and then I'll check in with you guys in a bit, because I know I'm gonna get hungry. I'm not gonna sleep any time before 3 or 4, so we are gonna have a midnight snack for sure. Okay, so here we have our midnight snack. So here I have some blue bread which my friend Aditi baked for me. I'm gonna make sure to leave her Instagram in the description box below. You have to check her out. She was the same one who made the black muffins for me. These are, by the way, so good. These came in I think a few days ago and I've been having this with like some cream cheese. Today of course I can't have any cream cheese, so I'm just gonna have plain bread, but it's so good on its own. And here we have the butterfly pea tea. I just wanted to have something nice and hot, so I have this right here, and इसमें मैं milk डालने वाली हूँ. I've seen a lot of videos of people making this tea, and it's very like beautiful. You'll see what I mean in just a second, like when I add in the milk. I think I poured too much in at once, but I'll slow motion it for you guys. Either ways, this is what I'm gonna have. I don't think I'm gonna eat anything after this. This is probably gonna be my last meal. I look really scary, but it is, I think, 3:30, and I'm about to wrap it up and go to sleep. In honor of the blue food challenge, I've switched on all the blue lights to create like a blue ambience. It's very scary. Shouldn't have done it. But either ways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I started this challenge at I think 10:30 in the morning, and I don't think I'm going to wake up before that. So it is a 24-hour challenge, truly. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know which color I should try next. I already do have a color in mind, but I'm open to suggestions. Follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.